Imagine waking up to find your money doubled while you slept. No crypto scams, no 4-hour work weeks, just AI tools doing the heavy lifting. Today, I'll reveal 5 secret AI tools quietly printing money for those who know how to use them. You won't believe number 5, it's banned in some communities for being too powerful. Let's start with tool number 1, AutoGPT plus trading strategy. It's like having your own personal business analyst, marketer, and money coach, all in one. But here's where it gets interesting. Combine AutoGPT with a basic trading API or a Shopify store, and it can literally run the show while you chill. It's not just automation, it's autonomous wealth building. Now let's move on to tool number 2, Kairos AI. This one spots real-time arbitrage opportunities in marketplaces like Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. It's like an AI sniper, buying low, selling high, and doing it faster than any human could. Some users report $300 to $500 a day using just this, but only if you know how to set it up right. Tool 3, where you meet your faceless content creator, Fliki AI. Turn scripts into stunning YouTube shorts, TikToks, or Reels. Add trending topics, and this tool becomes a money magnet. People are using Fliki to pump out 10 to 15 videos a day, and monetizing via ad revenue, affiliate links, and brand deals. Tool number 4, we have AlphaSignal, a brutally accurate AI that scans market data and gives buy-sell alerts for stocks, crypto, and even ETFs. It doesn't predict the future, it calculates it. It's like having a Wall Street analyst on your team, 24/7, and it's changing the game for small investors. Finally, tool 5 is where things get wild. Beehiiv, a newsletter platform powered by AI. Combine it with GPT-4 to write viral money-making newsletters. Monetize with affiliate links, and boom, you've got passive income on autopilot. People are earning $10,000 a month with this combo. And the best part? You don't even need followers to start. These aren't just tools, they're modern-day money printers. But here's the twist. Only a few people actually use them correctly. Want a step-by-step guide on how to set up these tools and start earning? Hit subscribe right now and don't miss the next video. Follow at Nova AI for daily future finance insights.